Yes, hello friends, welcome. Okay, today's our point is to prepare the organic halide B type. Yes, aryl halide. Okay, arene type halide. Yes, haloarine, otherwise aryl halide. How can we prepare? First of all, we should have to understand about the definition of aryl halide. The organic halide in which halogen atom is directly attached with the carbon atom of benzene ring, otherwise you can say phenyl group. They are known as a aryl halide या haloarine. Okay. There are two methods which are used to prepare the arene halide. Electrophilic substitution reaction in arene type hydrocarbon. Yes, hydrocarbon means the compound which are consist of only two types of element, that is carbon and hydrogen. That's why they are known as hydrocarbon. And arene type ऐसे हाइड्रोकार्बन के जिसमें सिर्फ बेंजीन रिंग ही हो. तो बेंजीन एंड टॉल्यूइन बोथ आर यस arene type hydrocarbon. First one, in case of benzene, yes, addition of chlorine in presence of anhydrous FeCl3. This is known as a chlorination of benzene. When reagent Br2 is used as a reagent, okay, in presence of anhydrous FeBr3. Anhydrous means completely dry. At 40 centigrade temperature, this reaction is known as a bromination of benzene. When benzene is heated with Cl2 in presence of catalyst like anhydrous FeCl3 at 30 centigrade temperature, at that time one hydrogen of benzene ring will be replaced by chlorine atom and our main product will be chlorobenzene. During this reaction, HCl will remove as a byproduct. Similarly, when benzene is heated with Br2 reagent in presence of catalyst like anhydrous FeBr3 at 40 centigrade temperature, at that time one hydrogen of benzene ring will be replaced by bromine group and our main product will be bromobenzene. What is the रिएक्शन मैकेनिज्म? यू सी, ये वर्टिकल लाइन के बाद जो रिएक्शन, ये एग्जाम में नहीं लिखने का है, समझने के लिए. ये बेंजीन का हाइड्रोजन यदि क्लोरीनेशन है तो ये HCl will remove as a byproduct. Yes, if we have used reagent Br2, then HBr will be removed as a byproduct. ये ब्रोमोबेंजीन मिलेगा. सेकेंड रिएक्शन is the toluene. Chlorination of toluene and bromination of toluene. Toluene means if one methyl group is present on the phenyl group. Otherwise, benzene may say if one hydrogen is replaced by methyl group, this constitution is known as a toluene. When toluene is heated with chlorine gas, here reagent is chlorine and catalyst is anhydrous FeCl3. Okay. At 25 centigrade temperature, this reaction is known as a chlorination of toluene. Similarly, when toluene is heated with bromine in presence of catalyst like anhydrous FeBr3 at 30 centigrade temperature, this reaction is known as a bromination of toluene. Now, during chlorination, chlorine group is to be introduced to the phenyl group. Similarly, during the bromination, bromine group will introduce to the benzene. Since ये chlorine और bromine कहाँ जाएंगे, it always depends upon the group which enter on benzene ring further. तो यहाँ मिथाइल ग्रुप है, टॉल्विन में मिथाइल ग्रुप है. दिस ग्रुप इज ऑर्थो एंड पैरा डाइटिंग ग्रुप्स. दैट्स व्हाई two molecules of chlorine, two molecules of bromine are required during the reaction. Among the 2 mole, 1 mole will attack on ortho position and second molecule will attack on para position. एक टॉल्विन बोलेगा क्लोरीन और ब्रोमीन को if you want to react with me, आप 2 मॉलिक्यूल होके आओ, एक नहीं, अब 2 मॉलिक्यूल के लिए मैं अकेला काफी हूं. तो among the 2 molecules, 1 molecule will attack on ortho position. Yes, ये टॉल्विन का ऑर्थो पोजिशन का हाइड्रोजन और Cl दोनों HCl या ब्रोमिनेशन होता है तो HBr रिमूव होगा. सिमिलरली पैरा पोजिशन में सेकेंड मॉलिक्यूल विल अटैक ऑन पैरा पोजिशन, तो पैरा पोजिशन में से HCl रिमूव होगा, अदरवाइज HCl रिमूव, HBr रिमूव होगा. तो ये our main product will be orthochlorotoluene during the chlorination and parachlorotoluene. During bromination, our main product will be mixture of orthobromotoluene and parabromotoluene. Okay, this is the electrophilic substitution reaction. Second, Sandmeyer reaction. Yes, this is the aniline. If NH2 group is present on benzene ring, known as aniline. When aniline is hit, yes, is reacted with nitrous acid. HNO3 is nitric acid, HNO2 is nitrous acid. Otherwise, you can take NaNO2, sodium nitrate, and 2 molecules of hydrochloric acid. At 0 to 5 centigrade, this reaction always carried out at low temperature. Why? We will see later on. During this reaction, NaCl and 2 molecules of bottom molecule will remove as a byproduct and NH2 will convert it into N double bond NCl. This reaction is known as a diazotization reaction. During diazotization reaction, NH2 is converted into N double bond NCl. Now you see what is the reaction mechanism. First of all, 1 mole NaNO2 among the 2 mole HCl, 1 mole HCl will react to each other. NaCl and HNO2 will form. Yes, what is the structure formula of HNO2? N double bond O, single bond OH. Okay. Now this nitrous, इन दोनों के बीच रिएक्शन होकर यही प्रोडक्ट मिलती है. This nitrous acid and remaining 1 mole of HCl will react with aniline. This is the aniline. Yes. NH2 के 2 हाइड्रोजन, HNO2 का ऑक्सीजन, ये वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव होगा. सेकंड, ये HNO2 का एक OH और HCl का H, ये वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव होगा. 2 नाइट्रोजन के बीच डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्म हो जाएगा, सिंगल बॉन्ड Cl जुड़ जाएगा, N डबल बॉन्ड NCl, BDC, बेंजीन डाइएजोनियम क्लोराइड. Otherwise we can say phenyl diazonium chloride. Yes, during the reaction, if temperature is high, then the stability of this BDC salt will be less. So to gain stable BDC salt, ये हर हमेश टेम्परेचर ऑफ रिएक्शन हर हमेश लो रखना पड़ेगा. दैट्स व्हाई डायजोटाइजेशन इज ऑलवेज कैरिड आउट एट लो टेम्परेचर. नाउ yes, on reaction with HCl in presence of Cu2Cl2, otherwise reaction with HBr in presence of Cu2Br2, otherwise reaction with Ki. It will give chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and iodobenzene. Yes, N double bond NCl will replace by Cl, Br or iod. Chlorine, bromine and iodine, finally these atoms are member of halogen. That's why this product is aryl halide. During this reaction, all this reaction, nitrogen will remove as a byproduct, HCl, otherwise KCl will be removed as a byproduct. How the reaction will take place? Mechanism क्या होगी? Suppose on reaction with HCl in presence of Cu2 Cl2, तो H and Cl ये HCl रिमूव होगा, ये N2 रिमूव हो जाएगा, ये डायरेक्ट HCl का chlorine will directly added to the benzene ring. Our product will be chlorobenzene after removal of N2 and HCl as a byproduct. Suppose we do the reaction with HBr in presence of Cu2Br2, then ये HCl will remove as a byproduct, N2 remove हो जाएगा, ये bromine लग जाएगा benzene ring के साथ, then our final product will be brombenzene, and NCl and N2 will be removed as a byproduct. Suppose on heating with Ki, okay, तो Ki में KCl will remove as a byproduct, then N2 will also remove as a byproduct, and iodine will directly added to the benzene ring. Our product will be iodobenzene. This reaction is known as a Sand-Meyer reaction. This is very important reaction. Okay, friends, आर्या हम यहाँ खत्म करते हैं. Next time substitution of halogen by other halogen हम लेंगे. Okay, thank you very much.